Today, you will learn about an innovative offering that delivers the most efficient and cost-effective method for capturing and processing paper-based documents for the pharmaceutical market, clinical research organizations, their outsourced partners, and their participating physician offices, using innovative edge computing technology called IoT Smart Connected Scanning, a solution that demonstrates a whopping 40 to 65% cost savings over traditional CRO document capture solutions. Also, you will learn how our clinical trials managed capture as a service solution can be deployed in just 5 minutes or less by a non-technical user, such as a physician's office administrator. Unleashing the power of our IoT Smart Connected Scanning solution begins with our firm configuring a custom and encrypted QR code unique to your organization. After the arrival of your IoT Smart Connected Scanning appliance, a non-IT user, such as your office administrator, will unpack the device contents. He or she will perform some light assembly like any other small IoT appliance, such as a smart home security system or an IoT smart home automation system. Next, they will power on the device and follow a prompt to insert their unique and encrypted QR code, and then simply press the Easy Scan button. Behind the scenes, the following steps are automatically performed by CAPSYS Capture Online, our secured managed capture as a service cloud application. CAPSYS will now A, provision and license your IoT scanner appliances, B, deliver your personalized CRO application button or buttons to the appliance that corresponds to your specific clinical trial business process. A key takeaway here at this point is the following. All of the necessary parameters for your personalized Salesforce application have been previously configured and are unlocked and deployed by the IoT appliance via your personalized QR code. At this point, you are now fully operational. Whether it's a single appliance or 25 appliances or 1,000 IoT Smart Connected appliances, you are live and ready to begin capturing clinical trial documents at the touch of a button. Next, take your clinical trial patient or participant documents, place them in your automatic sheet feeder, press the Salesforce CRM clinical trials button. Your documents are being captured. They're encrypted and they're being transmitted safely and securely to the CAPSYS Capture Online cloud. Once CAPSYS Capture Online is in receipt of the documents from the IoT Smart Connected Scanner, we will send a near real-time confirmation message directly back to the user where the documents were captured, providing your user community with what we have termed positive user confirmation that the documents were received intact. Your users have now been empowered with the knowledge and confidence their document submission was successfully completed. If, by chance, any of the documents failed to meet your organization's stringent QA standards, such as a specific set of document types were required and something critical has been deemed missing, we can indicate which document type has been absent from the document collection. Or, to serve as another example, we can check for a specific field value that may be missing from the critical information to the business process. The opportunity to catch any errors that could lead to downstream business process issues have now been identified in near real time or at the edge of your CRO business process. And this is key, before the user leaves the IoT scanning appliance. With IoT Smart Connected Scanning, your user community will be instructed with not only that a problem occurred with their document submission, but exactly where the problem occurred. Using patented technology embedded in every IoT Smart Connected Scanning appliance, Perfect Page technology. Perfect Page provides your organization with the assurance your documents will be in optimal condition each and every time. Next, your documents will be delivered to your knowledge worker community using a case management style interface, similar to how clinical trial workforces are accustomed to operating in a day-to-day manner with other healthcare applications. Caseworkers can mask or redact out sensitive information on any area of the documents on any page, protecting any personally identifiable information that should not be made visible. After caseworkers complete their casework review, they can simply mark the casework as complete, and the casework will automatically be sent to Salesforce using the published Salesforce CRM REST API. IoT Smart Connected Scan documents are now immediately accessible by all those who have secure access to your Salesforce CRO patient and subject ID records application. As a point of interest, the actual physical electronic documents have been stored in a separate secured cloud storage service called ShareBase by Hyland Software. Hyland Software is the maker of OnBase, the industry leader in content services platform offerings for the healthcare marketplace. So why ShareBase, you may be asking yourself? The benefit of decoupling the physical documents from Salesforce implementation leaves only behind the secured URL, reference, or document link in the Salesforce CRM patient record. The added ShareBase enterprise file sync and share capabilities for your organization can be leveraged for many other external and internal secured file sharing purposes beyond the integration we've performed with Salesforce. The end result for the combined technology is your organization can operate at a total lower cost of ownership while having increased application functionality and flexibility throughout your organization. To summarize, IoT Smart Connected Scanning for Salesforce CRM powered by CAPSYS CAPTURE ONLINE provides the most efficient, cost-effective, easy to use, easy to deploy document capture solution in the market today, bar none. Using patented perfect page technology, IoT Smart Connected Scanning produces pristine document quality unmatched in the industry. No clunky MFPs or MFDs or substandard scanners that produce substandard image quality. And finally, remember, PCs and application software are susceptible to outside threats. IoT Smart Connected Scanning is malware, virus, and ransomware resilient. For more information on IoT Smart Connected Scanning powered by CAPSYS Capture Online for Salesforce, please visit us at www.capsystech.com.